What if protecting your Pixel 10 Pro could feel as exciting as upgrading it? Today I'm showcasing 10 premium TORRAS cases and accessories that blend style with unbeatable protection. Welcome to my channel. Check the description links to grab yours and enjoy gear that truly transforms your phone experience. The number 10 product on our list is TORRAS Magnetic Drop Protection Case. A case that blends magnetic power, military-grade defense, and sleek style might sound too good to be true, but this one makes it a reality. The TORRAS strikes an immediate balance between elegance and toughness. Tested for real-world comfort, with edges reinforced by shock-absorbing air cushions that turn accidental drops into non-event. The built-in magnetic system feels stronger than most alternatives, snapping effortlessly onto mounts and wireless chargers with a stability that inspires peace of mind. What sets it apart in the lineup of Pixel-ready TORRAS accessories is its discreet fold-out stand. Durable, slim, and smooth to use, giving you hands-free viewing without adding bulk. Compared to chunkier kickstand cases, this one remains pocket-friendly, while still offering multi-angle flexibility that's genuinely useful. The hinge design has been stress-tested for longevity, giving riders, streamers, or professionals alike a sense of reliability. We only highlight accessories that merge protection with practicality, and this case delivers both in a package that feels safe, stylish, and smart for daily use. Number 9 is TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt wall charger. Charging delays can quietly disrupt your day, but this wall charger feels like the solution we've all been waiting for. The TORRAS FlexLine 67-watt delivers raw speed and intelligent safety in one sleek design, tested for real-world comfort with performance that turns a few minutes of charging into hours of power. Its retractable cable system is more than just neat. It transforms daily clutter into a clean, hassle-free setup, whether at home, in the office, or on the move. The dual-chip GaN technology inspires real peace of mind, managing temperature with precision so your phone and laptop charge fast without stress. Compared with other accessories in the TORRAS lineup, this one doesn't just complement your Pixel, it elevates your whole routine by replacing multiple bricks and tangled cords. It's not the smallest charger out there, but its versatility and power output more than justify the extra size. We only recommend what simplifies and safeguards your digital life, and this charger delivers both effortlessly. At number 8 is TORRAS Car Phone Holder. Driving with one hand on the wheel and the other nervously holding your phone is a recipe for distraction, but this mount eliminates that risk with strength you can trust. The TORRAS Car Holder feels like it was engineered for peace of mind, tested for real-world comfort with military-grade sturdiness that doesn't flinch under heat, cold, or bumpy roads. Its one-clip release and single-hand clamp bring convenience to the next level, letting you focus on driving instead of fumbling with adjustments. What makes it stand out in the lineup of TORRAS accessories is its 4-in-1 flexibility: dashboard, windshield, air vent, even at home, giving you the freedom to choose placement that fits your lifestyle. Compared to basic mounts, the vent clip design here is remarkably stable, locking into place with a triangular structure that eases pressure and avoids damage. It's slightly bulkier than minimal options, but that extra build translates into stability and safety. We only highlight gear that blends durability with daily ease, and this one clearly earns that trust. At number 7 is TORRAS Screen Protector. A cracked display can ruin both the look and performance of your phone, and that's why this protector feels like true insurance you can see and feel every day. The TORRAS brings military-grade toughness, tested for real-world comfort with drop resistance that holds up far beyond ordinary glass. Its ultra-thin design keeps every swipe smooth, maintaining clarity and responsiveness so your Pixel feels untouched while staying safe. What really stands out in the TORRAS lineup of Pixel accessories is the effortless installation kit. No bubbles, no frustration, just a flawless fit that feels like it came straight from the factory. Compared to bulkier protectors, this one blends invisibility with strength, giving you peace of mind without compromising style. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but that premium price buys durability, clarity, and reliability. We only highlight gear that earns its spot through performance and trust, and this protector is a smart, reassuring choice for anyone serious about keeping their device safe. At number 6 is TORRAS USC C to USB cable. Cables are often the most overlooked accessory, yet they're the lifeline of every device, and this one proves how much difference a well-built cord can make. The TORRAS USB-C to USB-C cable combines speed, durability, and smart safety, tested for real-world comfort with charging performance that actually protects your battery instead of wearing it down. Delivering up to 60 watts, it fuels phones, tablets, and even lightweight laptops without hesitation, while its fast data transfer keeps productivity moving. What really stands out in the TORRAS lineup of Pixel-ready accessories is the cooling tech, keeping temperatures lower and extending battery life in a way most cables simply can't. Compared with cheaper alternatives, this one feels sturdier in hand, resisting bends and daily stress with ease. It won't replace a display cable, but for charging and syncing, it's a clear win. We only highlight gear that simplifies life while keeping devices safe, and this cable feels like a smart, long-term choice worth every penny. And number 5 is TORRAS Magnetic Phone Grip Holder. A slippery phone slipping out of your hand can turn comfort into panic in seconds, and that's where this accessory makes its mark. The TORRAS Magnetic Grip Holder blends style, security, and everyday ease. Tested for real-world comfort with a design that keeps your Pixel firmly in place while feeling natural in your hand. Its 360° rotation adds freedom, letting you switch from scrolling to streaming without awkward angles, and the collapsible build means it slips into your pocket without bulk. The strong magnets click securely to compatible cases or mounts, giving peace of mind whether you're holding it on the go or snapping it onto a car holder. Compared to cheaper rings that feel flimsy, this one carries a premium finish and silicone grip that adds both comfort and durability. We only recommend gear that genuinely improves daily use, and this holder stands out as a smart, reassuring choice for anyone wanting both confidence and convenience in one sleek package. At number 4 is TORRAS IceNano 30-watt wall charger. A charger this small shouldn't feel this powerful, yet that's exactly the surprise waiting inside the TORRAS IceNano. Built with advanced GaN 3 tech, it takes the stress out of slow, overheated charging and replaces it with speed, safety, and peace of mind. Tested for real-world comfort, it slips effortlessly into a pocket or bag thanks to its foldable design, making it a natural travel companion. What really stands out in the TORRAS lineup of Pixel accessories is how it balances compact size with reliable performance, delivering 30 watts of fast charging while staying impressively cool under pressure. Compared to bulkier bricks, this one feels refined and future-ready, powering phones, tablets, and even lightweight laptops without hesitation. It's not meant for heavy-duty machines, but for daily devices it checks all the right boxes. We only highlight gear that earns long-term trust, and this charger is a smart, stylish addition for anyone who values efficient power without the clutter. The third one on our list is TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof Case. A case that feels slim in the hand, yet takes on 12-foot drops with ease is rare, but this one pulls it off with confidence. The TORRAS Magnetic Shockproof Case combines everyday elegance with protection that's been tested for real-world comfort, turning fragile glass into something you can actually trust. Its Halbach mag system delivers a noticeably stronger magnetic lock, keeping your Pixel secure on mounts and accessories without interfering with wireless charging, a problem many other cases fail to solve. The translucent matte back adds a premium touch, resisting smudges while staying stylish, and the customizable button colors give it a subtle layer of personality. Compared with other accessories in the TORRAS lineup, this one feels like the perfect middle ground, slim enough for comfort, but built tough enough for peace of mind. We only recommend gear that balances form and function, and this case stands out as the smart, safe choice for those who won't settle for compromises. On number 2 is TORRAS 3-in-1 charging station. Cluttered desks and tangled cables are more than an eyesore. They slow you down and drain peace of mind. That's why the TORRAS 3-in-1 charging station feels like such a game-changer, blending power, portability, and smart design into one sleek hub. Tested for real-world comfort, it delivers fast, stable charging across phone, watch, and earbuds without the overheating that plagues cheaper docks. The dual cooling system inspires confidence, keeping temperatures low while ensuring your battery stays healthy long-term. Its foldable, travel-ready form makes it a natural companion for those who move between work, home, and flights, removing the need to carry multiple adapters. Compared to other accessories in the TORRAS lineup, this one is less about style and more about pure convenience, though the strong magnetic alignment adds that reassuring snap every time you dock your device. We only highlight products that simplify life without compromise, and this station delivers exactly that. Smart, reliable, and ready for everyday use. Now, moving to the last one is TORRAS Q3 Spin 360 Magnetic Case. A case that spins, protects, and locks onto magnetic accessories with ease almost sounds over-engineered, but this one makes it feel effortless. The TORRAS Q3 Spin 360 brings versatility to the lineup of Pixel-ready accessories, tested for real-world comfort with a kickstand that rotates through countless angles without wobble or wear. Its zinc alloy hinge feels solid, transforming the back of your phone into a stand for video calls, binge sessions, or hands-free work, while still folding flat to keep things sleek. The built-in magnets snap confidently onto mounts and chargers, offering relief from the slipping and sliding you get with cheaper cases. Protection isn't sacrificed either. Military-grade drop defense and raised bezels give you peace of mind against scratches and tumbles. Compared to bulkier, rugged cases, this strikes the perfect balance between slim design and everyday toughness. We only highlight accessories that merge practicality with safety, and this case feels like the smart, stylish upgrade riders and professionals alike will appreciate. So guys, this was the video about the 10 best Google Pixel 10 Pro Torras cases and accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.